Hello, and welcome. In the fast-paced world of consulting, staying ahead is a necessity. Yet, traditional training often struggles to provide the personalized and practical learning that modern consultants need. In this demonstration, we will take you through the journey of the consultant's way to becoming an AI-powered learning platform using solutions developed by Caisen. This video will guide you through the three core components that make this possible: our ever-present smart assistant, the user's guide, our AI navigator, and our immersive role-play simulator. The smart assistant is the user's entry point to our multi-agent system. This tool processes a user's request and connects them to the best-suited tool behind the scenes. The AI navigator uses our store, search, and satisfy framework. It takes a user's question from the smart assistant and searches a RAG database of Consultant's Way content to find the piece of content most related to the question. With this content, the AI navigator then answers the user's question and provides a description of the course that content is housed in and a direct link to the content. This tool opens a new way for users to interact with content. By letting the system directly know their needs, users can fluidly access the most relevant material. All our AI systems are powered by Google's Gemini, the leading large language model according to blind taste tests conducted by University of California, Berkeley researchers. Gemini also offers data privacy, such that no data is stored outside of the Consultant's Way platform. Using Gemini's API allows us to offload the computational burden of tasks and avoid using a server directly, minimizing risks of overload and crashes. All of our AI systems function in a variety of languages. For the AI navigator, you may ask a question in any language, but your answer will be returned in English. If the user's question cannot be directly answered by the content of Consultant's Way, then the AI navigator acknowledges its inability to answer directly with content from the Consultant's Way, while still providing the closest content to the question to help users determine their own answer. Our state-of-the-art role-play simulator leverages AI to design a role-play suited to any scenario described by the user, or invented interactively with the AI acting as a Socratic guide.
I'd like to prepare for a meeting I have upcoming, and I'm honestly not sure what I'm about to encounter, so I'd like you to give me some leading questions.
The role-play simulator pulls directly from the Consultant's Way content to design scenarios that are highly relevant to consulting. Now let's see how a real scenario might look.
I've got a meeting upcoming where I'm going to be discussing the price of a contract with a new client. And the client's relatively new, but we've conducted an initial discovery phase and it was quite successful. The client was very on board with the results. I'm just quite nervous about discussing the price of the actual contract. Can you set me up in a steering committee meeting with the CEO of a big company, discussing an AI tool that we've developed for them and the price that it will take to implement it?
Scenarios involve one or more characters with dialogue and an impression of the user that develops throughout their interactions.
Thanks for joining. We were all incredibly impressed with the proof of concept. The numbers you presented last week were eye-opening. We're very excited to hear what a full-scale implementation looks like and how we can make this happen.
Oh, thanks, sir. And we're also really glad to work with you. So what we're going to be offering you is really going to be profound for your business. And I think it's going to help shape what you do and well, frankly, bring in a lot of money for you. And that's going to be great. So we'd like to get in kind of the skinny here and discuss the initial investment that you'll have to put forward in order to achieve those results.
The AI analyzes your audio to give you feedback on both your content and delivery. We've broken feedback down into the potential positives and potential negatives that analyze your content, and sound bites, which analyze your delivery. The AI then updates the current state of the scenario and allows you to evolve your interaction in a realistic environment.
Okay. Before we talk about the investment, let's take a step back. The POC was fantastic, but it was a controlled environment. I need to understand the concrete plan for the full rollout. Can you walk me through the key phases of the project, the specific ROI projections you've calculated, and what resources you'll require from my teams? I need to see the full business case before we can have a meaningful conversation about the price.
The role-play simulator works in almost any language, generating audio and description corresponding to the language that the user speaks to it. To recap, Caisen created a complete AI learning ecosystem. The AI assistant facilitates user interactions. The AI navigator charts personalized learning journeys. And the role-play simulator hones crucial skills in a risk-free environment. Together, these tools empower consultants to learn more effectively, apply new skills faster, and deliver greater value to clients. To see how AI solutions can be tailored for your business, visit our website or click the link in the description to schedule a personal meeting. Thank you for watching.